us might be wondering which is the best retirement or the pension scheme in India. I'm going to give you a comparison of four pension schemes which is presently in India, but I'm going to tell you only the pension schemes or the retirement schemes which is guaranteed by the government of India. I'm not going to touch any of the private pension schemes or the retirement schemes. Okay, there's a small announcement for you. Jeevan Shanti, one of the best pension schemes ever floated by Life Insurance Corporation of India, is going to get closed today. This is the best scheme and the best opportunity for you to invest. I will tell you in comparison with the other schemes why this is the best scheme. Okay. Now, let us first go to Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vanchana Yojana. So this is one of the best interest rates giving pension schemes in India so far because it is giving 7.6% per annum. The first block of this investment is going to be closed on 31st of March 2021. Till then, the interest rate will hold good. Duration is 10 years. The maximum investment amount you can do is 15 years. There is no tax relief whatsoever either during the investment time or at the time of maturity. The advantages are it is guaranteed by Government of India. The highest pension is being given by this particular scheme. There is no fluctuation of interest whatsoever by the share market or by the banking rate of interest. Okay. Excuse me. Disadvantages of the scheme is the pension is available only for senior citizens, that is above 60 years. There is no joint life provision for this. The scheme closes after the annuitant dies, which means the money will be returned back to the annuitant and you have to reinvest the money once again, and you don't know at what rate of interest at that point of time you will be reinvesting. There is no deferment of pension, which means that if you don't want the pension today, there is no provision. You will get it immediately, and this is the rate of interest you will be given guarantee. Okay. Now let us go into the second scheme, Senior Citizen Savings Scheme. Okay. In this scheme, this is the second best interest rate which is available for the citizens of India, which is 7.4%. There is no last date, but however, it can fluctuate depending upon the quarterly announcement by the central government. The duration is 5 years, but however, you can extend up to 8 years. The scheme is available for 8 years at a stretch. Maximum investment is 15 lakhs. Investment is allowed as a deduction under income tax under 80C, but however, interest on maturity and maturity amount is not allowed as an income tax deduction. Okay. Advantages is the same three things which is available for PMYY. Government guarantee. Okay. Rates of interest are guaranteed, and the share market fluctuation and rate of interest fluctuations are not there. Disadvantage, same disadvantages. It is available only for citizens. It is available only for 8 years. There is no joint life. Scheme closes if the account holder dies, and there is no deferment of pension. Now let us go to the third best scheme. Okay. Monthly income scheme from post office. The interest is given here is 6.6% per annum. The last date is, however, March 31st, but you have to verify the rate of interest every quarter before you invest because the government might revise a revision of interest. Duration is 5 years only. Maximum investment is 4.5 lakhs if you are individually investing, or 9 lakhs if you are investing in a joint way. Tax is not available either during the investment or at the time of maturity. Advantages, government guarantee pension is there. Capital is guaranteed, interest rates are guaranteed, no fluctuation of interest from share market or from bank rate of interest. But the advantages, you have a joint account holder. The disadvantages are investment amount is having a limitation, which is you can't invest more than 9 lakhs. Limitation on the duration, which is you can't invest at a time from 5 years because beyond 5 years your rate of interest is not guaranteed. No deferment of pension. Now let us go and compare and see what are the features of Jeevan Shanti, which is the best thing. Rate of interest is 5.6%, which is comparatively less to other rate of interest of the government schemes. But here the biggest advantage is you are having 19% rate of interest guaranteed today if you are going to defer your pension for 20 years. That is, if I invest my amount now and I want it after 20 years, the rate of interest I am going to get a guarantee today at the rate of 19%. Okay. Now, biggest disadvantage which no other scheme in India guarantees, no other institution guarantees. Okay, very, very important thing. For a person of 30 years, he can invest up to 20, he can wait for 20 years, but lock the rate of interest right today with his investment today. He will get 19% after 20 years guaranteedly for his life throughout. Okay, very, very great scheme. After that, not only that, he will also have his spouse getting the same amount of pension, and the pension amount is going to be, pension purchase price is going to be returned to his nominee. So, husband gets 19%, okay, if he invests, wife also gets 19% till she survives, then the amount what he has invested today will come back to his children. Now, the last date is today. If you want to make a decision, you have to invest today. Okay, there is no limitation on the amount what you're going to invest. The minimum amount is 1.5 lakhs. Amount of pension is lifelong because this is going to be for 100 years pension right from today. No maximum limit at all. Tax, income tax is allowing it during the time of investment. Whatever you are investing today or this year, income tax is allowing a deduction under section 80CCC. Advantages, it is guaranteed by the government of India because it is LIC. Okay, joint life provision is there, which means after the investor dies, the pension, same amount of pension will continue for the wife as well, or for the husband as well, or for the spouse as well. Okay, lifelong pension till 100 years, okay, of the last survivor. That is, if the husband invests today, after he dies, the wife will get a pension if she surveys for 100 years. After she surveys for 100 years, or if she dies in between, the amount is going to be returned to her, to their children. Very, very, very great scheme so far. No fluctuation as usual from the stock market or the bank rate of interest. Deferment of pension is allowed, but that is what I have told you at the beginning. So I can postpone my pension from 1 year to 20 years, for which the rate of interest is guaranteed today. And the biggest advantage is, if I want to have the pension from the age of 30, it is allowed. It is not like senior citizen scheme, but I can take the pension right when I am 30 years of old. The only disadvantage which I perceive, my dear friends, is the rate of interest. The rate of interest is 5.6% compared to all the other schemes what I compared. However, if you think of the long term and the other facilities which are available, I don't think this is a disadvantage. This is one of the best schemes which is going to close today. So I would like and recommend, my dear friends, that you have to take the scheme today. I'll just give you a comparison of how these schemes features are in a tabular format. Okay, first one, PMYY. There are three advantages out of 10 features what I mentioned, which is government rate of interest, best rate of interest, and loan and withdrawal facilities available. Then senior citizens pension scheme, the same three are available in addition to one, which is the taxable exemption. Then MI scheme of post office, only three is available as much as PMVY. Okay, Jeevan Shanti of LIC. You see, all the 10 features are available minus one, which is the rate of interest. Otherwise, you are getting everything what a retired person must get it. So, friends, don't lose this opportunity. This is one of the best opportunity LIC is giving under this scheme. After today, the rates of interest will fall down. Deferment of pension is not guaranteed. So, take advantage, invest today, become rich, be happy tomorrow. Okay. Thank you very much. Wish you happy investing and a rich and a peaceful tomorrow. If you like this video, subscribe to my button and also to click the bell button so that you get my notifications on not only financial schemes but also motivations and other great personalities, traits which has made them successful. Bye.